Hello guys, and welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. It has been crazy around here lately. We've been doing lots of home upgrades and home projects, but I have the biggest itch to switch yet. So let me take you outside so I can show you what we've been working on. Okay, can you guys see yet what the change is? Do you guys notice? Oh, sorry, it's like so bright out here. Sorry if it's windy too. I can't tell if you can see it yet. Let me scoot back. Let me scoot back a little bit more. Okay, can you guys see the change yet? Gosh, I'm still cutting it off. Okay, sorry, our front yard's so big. Let me scoot back. If it's windy and bright. Okay, do you guys see it? Nope, it's not there yet. Okay, hold on. Let me scoot back a little bit more. There it is! We sold our house! Biggest itch to switch yet.
That's it.
Okay, let's go inside and talk. Okay guys, so we sold our house.
Big surprise.
Anybody leave like a crazy emoji down below in the comment section if you're like freaking out, and we ourselves are freaking out too. So
yeah, we're pretty surprised ourselves.
When we came into 2020, we were not expecting to sell our house, build a house, that's a future video, wear mask everywhere we go,
yes.
Be stuck inside. 2020 has been crazy.
Unexpected year for sure.
So I know you guys are all wanting to know the story, so I'm not gonna make this video real long, but like the biggest question I think is gonna be like, why?
Yeah, why?
So here's our why. The market is insane right now, and we weren't even looking, but then a few houses. This is like a really desirable neighborhood. Like typically if a house sells, it sells to a friend or family member of somebody in here. Like it's just a really good neighborhood. But a few houses went up and sold like that and like bidding wars. And the prices they went for, we were like,
wow.
And they were just like your normal, traditional, standard home. Beautiful homes. Like all the homes here are beautiful. But ours is just like, you guys know, we do home projects for a living. So it's just a little bit step up. And
yeah.
We're like, if they can get that, what if we could get this?
Right.
And so we kind of kept that in mind. We were seeing, you know, if we sold this, where would we go? Because that's the biggest thing. We can sell our house all day long, but we have to have a home to go.
Exactly. And
we found like 3 homes. They all end up being new builds.
Yeah.
The first one, we didn't like the backyard.
Right.
The second one we loved, but the realtor would never call us back. It was just one of those, it wasn't, we were trying to force it and it wasn't meant to be.
He wouldn't give us any information, and then they did raise the price up 10,000 more out of nowhere, so that was, yeah.
You just know, I'm one that if it's not meant to be, I'm so okay with it. Like we love this home, so it wasn't like, I was never upset.
Right.
Well, then we finally looked at one more that I did not think I was gonna like. Like by the listing, I'm like, I'm not gonna like this, but let's just go check it out. Obviously, I fell in love.
Yes.
We end up knowing it's a family friend that's a builder.
Yeah, we know the builder.
I don't know, there's just so many things that like went into place that it was just meant to be. We were
and we didn't mention interest rates are super low too.
Super low.
So that went into it for sure.
So we thought, okay, let's get this house cleaned up. So some of you guys are figuring it out. Like we've been doing a lot of home upgrades. We have done so much painting and cleaning off camera. You have no idea. If you guys thought my house was clean last week, you should see it right now. Like
I was gonna say, all baseboards are painted, walls are painted. That's where we've been the last 4 or 5 days on Instagram. I haven't been on there much, and yeah. That's what we've been doing. Is
photos have been taken off the wall. I'll show you guys maybe in this one or the next one, or like a next cleaning. You're gonna see like it looks like a staged home. There's nothing like personalized.
So yeah, this is our dream home, but it's not, there's some functions of this home that are missing that we're able to get with the next dream home. So it's been great getting to build this into what we love, but now somebody else gets to use it as their dream home, and the next people are super excited.
They're so excited. It's their dream home. So if you guys are wondering what those things are, if you've been around for a while, you know I've always wanted an entry. We have never had a fireplace, which we're so excited about.
Laundry room is very small.
Oh, yeah. We got tile wood floors. You guys know I love my floors in photos, but ever since getting George, they're just a nightmare. So we have tile wood floors.
A master closet that we can share.
Oh, we got a bathtub without jets. Yes, Savannah knows all the things that were on my list, and it just happened to have all of them. And then we're coming in about a month out, so we're getting to pick fixtures and faucets and countertops, and so we've been doing that. Finally, my mom was like, when you get all of this done, you need an Ashley day. Like, I hadn't washed my hair in over a week. I had white paint on me. I have no nails. My lashes were like dangling off my face.
She looked rough, guys.
It was rough, and we were having to like go into like, in my head it's Christina on the coast, like stilettos, Louis, like going in to pick out this stuff. It has just been, there was 3 days of complete insaneness.
Yeah.
And just so if we get any of those comments, because we've had a few, you felt left out, you felt like you were entitled to know, this is our home, this is my family, and we were doing what was best, and we only wanted real buyers coming into this home. COVID's a real thing, and it's still, the numbers are high here. So we didn't want...
Just safety-wise, people coming in the house.
Yeah.
We just wanted to be safe with COVID and all that.
So we wanted as little people in here. And what's crazy is the first person that came in bought it.
Yeah.
The second people that walked through put in a second offer.
Yes.
And then we shut it down. So only 2 families were in our home, which is like a huge blessing, because I'm like Lysoling, going like crazy when they leave.
And it sold before it even went on the market.
Yeah.
So we literally just sold it, I mean,
She
2
put
days
the
ago.
sign, yeah.
So we're not like hiding it from
No.
you. It just went up 2 days ago, and it just sold a day ago, really, that as far as signing the contract. So we just want to make sure that was all in place before announcing to all of you guys. So
and
hope you don't feel left out.
Yeah.
We're including you now. It was just a day or two delay, just for security and safety reasons.
And just in case you're worried we're shut down, like you're gonna be like, no, why are you telling now? Well, people were figuring it out because it's on MLS, and we're done with showings, so nobody can get in our house now. So that's why we're coming. I hope you guys are so excited. If you feel left out, my sister still doesn't even know. My best friend, my sister, our neighbors didn't find out until the sign went in the yard.
Yeah.
Like when I say this, like happened overnight.
Happened really quick.
It happened. The only reason our parents knew is because George had to go stay at my mom's. So we told a few white lies on our live, but it was just, like I said, it was for the safety of our family. So I hope you guys understand that. It was for the safety and the health. And like we said, we only wanted real buyers in here. We're on here, and we know there's a lot of people local, and as much as we'd love to have you over for dinner, we don't want to have you in our house without us here. So this is like our space. This is my safe place.
So tons of new content coming your way.
So much new content.
A whole new house you get to watch.
So many comments have been like, I'm so sick of you cleaning your house. It's a whole new house. We'll have all new fun stuff, all new upgrades. We're still a ways out, so we still have a lot of fun content in this house. And then if you guys want to see any of the packing, the moving, let us know. So it's tradition to decorate November 12th. Like, we've been doing that long before YouTube. So we're still gonna do that. Like, I want as much stuff to stay the same and normal as possible.
Yeah.
And I have a fun collab with some other channels on YouTube. So we're gonna decorate this house.
Yeah. For Christmas.
For Christmas.
Yeah,
oh,
Christmas.
Sorry. We're gonna decorate for Christmas, and then I'm gonna saran wrap that tree. We're gonna throw in a van, and we're gonna decorate the other house. So you're gonna have tons of Christmas videos.
Yep.
You can see what it's like to move a Christmas tree if you saran wrap.
Yeah, we've never heard of saran wrapping a tree, but it sounds a lot better than taking everything down
off.
and moving it and putting it all back up. So we're gonna try
That sound crazy?
So don't laugh at us too hard when we're saran wrapping the tree.
Yeah, so hopefully that'll be a video over on Instagram. So is there
Yeah.
anything else we wanted to say? Savannah's so excited. We
She's
made
really
sure
excited.
this was like a...
It's gonna be a good place.
Yeah, it was a group decision. We're super happy. The
Yeah.
people coming in, it's fun that we got... I feel like we're slow flippers. We buy these houses and we slowly flip them, and then we get to sell them and make, you know, a pretty penny, and we get to sell them to somebody who's gonna love them. And this is a dream home. I don't want you guys to come like on defense and say, you called it your dream home. It is a dream home.
Oh yeah, we love this home.
Beautiful. It is gorgeous. If I had to stay here 5 more years, I was just fine. Like, we love this home, but it was just lining up where we could have a few more things. When we bought this house, neither one of us worked from home, so it seemed bigger. And as your life changes and as your situations change, sometimes you just need something different.
Yeah.
And we gave up some land to have a little bit more house. So we're still living far out, so we can have a bigger home. That's what we did when we moved here. And now we're downsizing the yard a little bit to have a bigger inside. So it's just like what you're willing to give up and what you're willing to do. And we're still, you guys are gonna say, I thought you were paying it off. That is our goal. We are still
paying it off.
We're still wanting to get it paid off super fast. It's just we're switching gears on the house, but.
So yeah, still doing the Dave Ramsey steps, still paying a couple thousand extra a month on the house. That's not changing. But yeah, this is the biggest itch to switch. You guys know Ashley, decor, Decor, furniture, and houses. She loves the switch. She gets the itch. And we need a new challenge. I mean, the challenge is kind of, it's run its course in this house, and we've all changed.
Everything we can do to this house. Like, I was telling Chase, I'm like, there's nothing else we can do to this home.
Right.
So we're ready for a new challenge. I did tell Chase 2 lies when we moved into this house, though. I told him if he bought me this house, well, I said 3. I told him if he bought me this house, I would start cooking because of this island. I think I did for a week.
Yeah.
I told him if he bought me this house, I wouldn't make him do any upgrades because it was already done.
Because from where we were coming from, it was brand new. It was done.
Yeah.
But we were just naive and didn't realize that, you know, all the light fixtures are so old and outdated as soon as we moved in. But we just didn't realize that then.
And then my 3rd lie was that it would be my forever home. I think when you're in the moving mode, it's so stressful you never want to move again.
Right.
But like I said, things just change.
And we're realistic now with this. Like, so our first home, we knew it wasn't going to be our last home. This home, we loved it, but we knew it wouldn't be our last one. And this next one's not going to be our last one. We can say that now. We're going to be moving again after this next house at some point. We don't know when.
We just love improving, and we love it. And
it will make it our dream home, but it won't be our forever home. And I don't know when our last one will be, but it won't be this next one.
Yeah, and some people always say, like, don't get married young because you don't know yourself. Like, I'm just now learning myself and what I love, and I love change. If I could get a new car every 3 months, I would. If I could get a new house every year and pay movers, I would probably do it. Like, I'm learning. I'm an introvert, but I love change. I love decorating.
It's fun for us.
And I can guarantee you, I don't care what house I'm in, and if it's my dream house and this girl up and moves to another state, that house is going to go up for sale so quickly.
Yeah, we'll be following her.
That's where, I'm sorry, that's where I've learned is there's not a forever house in our future right now. Where she goes, I go, and what works, we're going to just go with it. And
so we're excited. Happy to show you guys.
Excited to take you guys. The new house, I don't know if we'll be showing clips yet. It's not like even painted. Like, walls are up.
You'll start seeing, I mean, in December sometime is when you'll probably start seeing videos of actually cleaning and decorating, that type of stuff. But you'll see stuff before that, maybe of like upgrades and all that.
Let me know if you guys want to see it, or if you want to just wait and see the empty home tour once it's like done. But if you guys want to see a few vlogs like over on our vlog channel, maybe like sneak peeks and different things.
Yeah.
Definitely let me know. If you don't want to see them, totally fine. If you do, why not? My camera is always with me. So thank you guys so much. And just, I'm going to pre-thank you just for all the love and support. And
we appreciate it.
We just can't wait to do this journey with you. We can't wait to have all new content. And I'm already like in my head, like moving myself in, like, where are my spoons going to go? Where are the cloth? You know,
it's just a blank canvas. That's a new challenge for us.
To me, that's my hobby. People are like, what's your hobby? Organizing my home. And when I get a whole new home, it's just like, I'm like a kid in a candy store that I get to start over.
Definitely.
Is that weird? So I grew up. I was a kid once, and then I became a big fat nerd. So thanks again. We love you guys all so much. We hope you have a wonderful week, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.